In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix the Park Assist Unavailable issue on Tesla Model Y, Model X, Model S, and Model 3. If you're seeing this message on your screen, here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check for any dirt, snow, or debris blocking the ultrasonic sensors located on the bumpers of your Tesla. These sensors are essential for Park Assist, and even a small obstruction can cause the system to stop working. Clean them gently with a soft cloth or sponge. Next, ensure your Tesla's software is updated. Outdated software can lead to glitches in features like Park Assist. Go to your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Software Update, and install any pending updates if available. If the issue persists, try restarting your car. Turn it off completely, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can reset the system and clear temporary errors. Another step is to recalibrate the sensors by driving your car for a short distance at low speeds. If none of these steps work, there may be a hardware issue, and you should contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment to inspect the sensors. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy stress-free parking again.